Correctly adding money to a Go2Bank debit card is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. If you have regular income or benefits, you can set up direct deposit with your employer or benefits provider. Your paycheck or benefits will be automatically deposited into your Go2Bank account. You can transfer money from another bank account to your Go2Bank account. This can typically be done through the other bank's online banking platform or mobile app by adding your Go2Bank account as an external account and initiating a transfer. If you receive a paper check, you can use the Go2Bank mobile app to deposit the check by taking a picture of the front and back of the check. Some retailers offer the option to add cash to your Go2Bank card at their locations. You will need to visit a participating retailer and provide your Go2Bank card along with the cash you want to add. If you have multiple Go2Bank accounts, you can transfer money between them instantly.